On behalf of the staff and students of this institution and Bungudu community, the Honorable Minister of Information, and
are we sure we have gotten enough briefing to raise questions? Let's have questions, please. If no questions,
there is also ETF intervention, which include one block of 4 classrooms and office, and biology and chemistry lab, agri-science and physics lab. Population of the school is 2,857 students. Population of teaching staff 107.
If our colleagues don't have questions to ask, I was just going to ask, what is the pass rate in both WAEC and NECO on the one hand, and how many of your students gain admission into tertiary institutions at the completion of their program, and which are the strong subject areas, the arts or the sciences?
Well, the rate of passes in WAEC and NECO is a bit fair, which is, the rate is just like 50 or 25 to 50%. And the student that gained admission into tertiary institution, that one I cannot say, but I know as of last year, in NECO we are the best in the whole state. And almost half of the students got 5 credits, including English and Maths, and in which most of them are now in tertiary institution in the state, like School of Health Technology, College of Education, Maru, and the university.
What did you identify as the major impediments to a higher pass rate in WAEC and NECO? And how are you meeting those challenges in terms of your students' access to better grades?
Well, that one I know of. In sciences, we have only few students that sat for science, like just 100 students, and about 70% pass. And all of them are now in School of Nursing. And we have also 4 or 5 ladies that sat for SSCE last year, and all of them are now in School of Nursing and School of Health Technology. And most of the students that gain admission into universities are studying science now. And that of College of Education, most of them study art and science.
Yes, representative of the Honourable Minister, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe the explanations may not be as elaborate because the Honourable Commissioner is the entourage of His Excellency in Abuja, and that's what kept many of our Honourable Commissioners away from this assignment. But as you know, we are going to see other facilities that have levels. I'm sure much detailed explanation to be made. But to give you some insight, this renovation of schools is being undertaken just like they explained in the case of the primary schools. The renovations here and the additional structures are being given in almost every secondary school that we have in the state. And that's why, like you were observing, you say if we have so many similar projects because of the problems in those areas. And I'm sure when we go to other facilities, especially when the commissioner comes, you will have more detailed figures and explanations on some of these projects. But I assure you, we are taking this when you saw the animosity of the funding we are giving the private schools, you will have wondered maybe we have left out the secondary schools. So I'm assuring you that all of our secondary schools are receiving similar intervention and addressing the various issues that you have raised concerning issue of gender issues that Madam so passionately raised and other things like that. So thank you very much.
What were these ones doing?